We have a nice warm-up always in the afternoons, and Chief Meteorologist Mallory Schnell joining me here. And Mallory, I saw someone wearing a sweater today. This was this afternoon, but she pointed out to me, this morning it was pretty chilly, so she threw the sweater on and just didn't take it off.
Yeah, thankfully we still have those morning lows in the 50s and 60s, so we have comfortable humidity, nice mornings, nice evenings, definitely warmer than average afternoons. So if you're searching for fall, it's not here just yet. We had that tease of it late August into early September, but now we have basically second summer as we kick off early October with highs staying in the low to mid 80s. That's above that average high of 77 for this time of year. Now, as we wrap up the month of September, here's a look day by day at each high temperature at the Louisville International Airport. We had a mix of above average high temperatures in the red, below average high temperatures in the blue. Our highs range from the 70s through the 90s, sprinkling in with those 80s. That tended to be the average for the month. And your September rainfall, we started off really the first half of the month, if not more than that, was pretty quiet. But last week, of course, we had 5 days of rain in a row, measurable rainfall at the airport, the heaviest in Louisville arriving Wednesday evening with almost 2 inches of rainfall at the airport. So look back at your September for Louisville. The hottest high temperature we had 92 degrees, the coolest a low of 50 degrees. Our average temperature did run slightly above normal. Your average is all your highs and lows averaged together for the month. And our rainfall did run slightly above normal, about a half of an inch above normal, which of course we certainly needed after that drier than average August across the area. Satellite and radar here, we've been dry, quiet, mostly sunny, of course, across our area. Rain is just off to our east and southeast, and part of that, of course, moving in from Imelda here, which is spinning. You can see it here on the satellite. So we've had Imelda and also Umberto that we've been tracking through the Atlantic here, both currently hurricanes, both currently Category 1 hurricanes. So Umberto has really been weakening over the last couple of days. Imelda is still expected to strengthen, should be making impacts to Bermuda here this week, and then racing off to the northeast, staying away from the mainland U.S. So the main impacts we've been seeing across the mainland U.S. have been along the coast, some coastal erosion, especially around the Outer Banks of North Carolina, and some rough surf. But back here at home, of course, things are quiet. We're looking at comfortable temperatures tonight, clear skies, a light breeze from the north. Those overnight lows dropping into the upper 50s and lower 60s. And then your out the door forecast tomorrow morning, once again, starting off nice and comfortable. By lunchtime, we'll be well into the 70s, and then those highs by the afternoon, topping back out in the mid 80s. We'll likely start off the day with lots of blue sky and sunshine, but we could be having those clouds increasing by the afternoon and evening hours. Much of the same, a lot of copy and paste this week with this very quiet weather pattern. That means dry skies for St. James weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but definitely warmer than average with highs in the low to mid 80s. We don't really see any rain chances returning until next week. Better chance for showers, maybe a few embedded thunderstorms by next Tuesday. Doug.